It's going to cost you 20 to 40x to use Claude for engineering. And they are subsidizing the coding credits by about 20x. So if I'm understanding this fine print correctly, the new price hike starting June 15th, 2026 you're now going to be paying about 20 to 40x what it cost you previously to use Claude. Here's what's going on. All AI right now is extremely subsidized. I was wondering, when is the subsidy going to end? You've experienced this with Uber, with Airbnb. It's subsidized by VC money. And then once the VCs want their return on investment, that's when the price hikes come. And that's when, if you remember, Uber prices went way up, and they've stayed that way. Airbnb went way up. These companies that are venture backed end up getting subsidized, aka they get their product out and their service out to a lot of people, to the masses, at a loss without making enough money to actually be a sustainable business in order to get you hooked. This is the reason why I'm focused on building AI sovereignty. Now, I haven't quite figured this out, but the whole point of AI sovereignty is that you're independent of being trapped into one ecosystem. So the foundation of it is have a backup of all your most important files. And so what I'm doing right now is building a library. I'm building a library of markdown images, videos, and I'll get into that in greater depth later. But and especially once I start to really figure out the architecture of it. But the principle of AI sovereignty is to not be dependent on any one service provider, because I know that these AI price hikes are coming, and I want to prepare for that accordingly. And so one of the other principles that I haven't quite figured out yet, and I think we'll definitely will figure out in coming time, is how to rely on local first AI, because the computing power needed for AI processing is extremely heavy, and like I mentioned, it's being subsidized heavily as well. And so if I'm able to set this up in a way where AI is local first, where it does the heavy lifting first, and then for maybe extremely advanced tasks, then it goes to the cloud and does an API call. I don't know what percentage that would be or how that would break down. I definitely want to hear if you've figured this out. I've tried local models, and they really all kind of fall flat. My computer doesn't quite have enough RAM or an advanced enough chip, but these are all things on my mind because I know the AI price hike is coming, and I want to prepare by being AI sovereign.